How to fix Instagram mention problem. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, go to the apps and search for Instagram between all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Instagram and click on this force stop option, then go to the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled like this. Go back again and click on the data usage and do the same thing. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Now go back, click on the storage, click on the clear cache option. And that's it. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end.